This the new way. Yeah, you know I get paid. Still talking. You know I'm working, but I ain't a slave. Hey, sipping on some wine for some lemonade. Cliche. Niggas out here copying shit like they name Gucci Mane. Beat your ass cause I hand in hand my cash. No, I'm talking, but I'm talking shit cause that shit called cash. In other words, you be really getting mad. I'm the type to catch the player. I rebuttal, then I spaz. Jordan shoes on, flu game. I kick it cause I spaz. Pass me the ball and I'll never make you mad. You pass the ball, niggas looking at you mad. I'm a ball all day. I'm a ball all day. Switch the flow up and I get paid different ways. Buying stock, buying game. Then I sell the game, then I sell some stock. If I upper glide, I might buy some stock. Hey, murder talk, man, it been enough. Detroit made highway, I'm on that